Good evening. There are reports tonight of what's being described as an alien invasion.
Strange light.
Hang on, that is quite enough of that. We're not talking about science fiction, but rather science fact. And the aliens we're talking about are very real, very earthbound, and they're very much over here. These are some of the biggest waves I've ever seen. A vicious storm battered the east coast.
In winter, snow and ice builds up, and in the heat of summer, it melts away.
Record temperatures and even worse, record rainfall led to serious flooding. And the problem hasn't gone away, as you can see behind me.
This is the kind of thing that I've only seen, like many of you, on television screens. The only thing you can do in a wind this strong is really just stand still. That is strong.
Alex has the weather. Morning.
Hello, Susanna. I'm from Bristol. I think you look lovely this morning.
But does the weather look lovely, Alex?
Well,
That's
Alex,
what we need to
Alex,
know.
you had her at Hello, Susanna.
I know.
Oh.
Get your coat, love. You've pulled.
Now watch what happens when I put the meltwater into the volcano. You can really feel the heat, and that is the immense power of water. When it turns into steam, it expands 1,600 times, causing a massive explosion. And there seems to be a lot of deer. Is that part of the problem, is that they're breeding and breeding?
Yeah, faster than we can manage them.
They're beautiful, so people assume that they're not causing a problem.
Management is crucial, and you have to think about it dispassionately, and you have to think, you know what we can do? We can farm the wild.
This is the problem that the people of the Calder Valley are facing. When there's a heavy downpour, this hill and the surrounding hills around it are the first to catch the heavy rains. The question is, well, where does all this water go?
When you look at yourself there, I mean, it's the sheer length of this.
If you look at the finished product on my Instagram, it doesn't have 4.9 million followers, but the finished product actually looks pretty decent, Piers.
How's the weather looking?
The weather's actually looking pretty good. I've got some good news. The next 2 days are going to be dry. There will be some sunshine. Outbreaks of rain across western parts of Scotland, gusts of between 50, maybe 60 miles an hour. So hold on to your brollies if you are going to be up there. Temperatures, as I say, not too bad. Highs of 12 degrees in Aberdeen, more like 11 down across the southeast. That's your weather.
It's good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm actually really looking forward to this. You know, it might not be the answer for everybody, but it is one way of controlling the numbers.
Alex Beresford bringing his Bristolian accent on GMB. That was lush.
I loved it. That was Gertlush. Gertlush.
I've always wanted to say this. Don't try this at home. Oh, that is not nice.
Should we just do the weather?
Yeah, why not?
I tell you what, that's what we're here for.